You heard that. You know it. You know it. Number 3. So you guys, I told you that I will give you a second prize, isn't it? So that going around. So and also tomorrow I'm going to give you another one. So you're going to get 2 bottom up round. Entonces, you guys stay here, because right now, with a lot of pleasure, I would like to introduce to you guys our entertainment staff. Aplauso, give it up, Miss Dunia. El chico, The Boys, aplauso para Mr. Barbie. El chico, también, our supervisor. Today, mi amigo, my friend, Mr. Joanel. En las luces y sonido, light and sound. El DJ de la disco, el DJ de cada noche, el DJ from the disco, the DJ to each night, Mr. Joan.